Hello players, welcome. This is your boy, Jaystiqs, coming at you with another video. Well, today, I am playing against a computer. A computer? I know. Now I know what you're thinking, right? How can a computer be creative? You saw the title. You know what it is.
Okay, first of all, why are you speaking in that ridiculous accent?
Accent? Psst. This is my natural tone, bruh. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you are old and you've not subscribed, please also consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you'll be alerted every single time there's a new video. Also, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's do what we came here to do. You can see it, you know it works. You can save your drum fills, you can compose drum fills and practice later. And there's the shared mode where you can battle with the app and improve your drum fills and chops and everything else. Check it out, link down in the description. Go download it. I created it myself. It's not like some company created it. I'm a programmer. I created it myself. It's free. If you want to upgrade to a paid version, fine, but it works just fine when it's free. So check it out. Let's get on with the video. Round 2, we added a little bit more heat to the fire. so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. The link to download the app is in the description down below. Leave a comment. Let me know, who do you think won, the AI or me? Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We make drum videos on this channel, lessons, tutorials, tips, tricks. There's a section called drum therapy, all that. So consider subscribing and leave a like down below so this video gets recommended to other people. This is your boy Jaystiqs, and stick with it. Peace.